This is called basically we're going to use the wall um, to facilitate this. Okay, so you're going to need mats, and of course, everyone has a wall. And you also need a pillow for your head. Okay, ground rules. You're going to breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth, and you're going to relax. And you're going to melt into the stretch. And remember, your breath is your friend. If at any time you feel any tingling sensations or if it feels uncomfortable, then you can please back off from the exercise or just stop. Okay? So here we go. So actually, this is called the wall slide hamstring stretch. So what I'd like to do first is to get into position. And for everybody, this is going to be a different position for your the stretching leg that you're going to use. But you're going to start with your other leg bent, and then you're going to extend the opposite leg that you're trying to stretch, and you're going to try to get it as far as you can till you feel the stretch awareness behind the knee. Okay, and maybe this is where maybe you have to start here, but I can start here obviously. So key things that are important. One is that you tilt your pelvis so your spine is neutral. So that means you should feel your lower back kind of touching the floor. That's important. The second thing is that you want to make sure that your toes not like this, that you're pushing up with your heel. Okay, all right. Also, another thing, if your butt is coming off of the floor, then you need to back up. Okay, because your butt should always be on the floor. So first, we're just going to get into this position, and we're just going to let our body climatize, melt into it, because this is the first position. Nice deep breaths. By the way, the best time to do this is right before you go to bed. All right, this is more of a static stretch. We can make it more dynamic as well. Okay, so what we're going to do, as I said, this is called the wall slide. So I'm just going to slide my heel up. Inhale. I'm just going to do 3 reps. And at the end of the rep, the third one, now with this position, I'm going to take a deep breath and I'm going to flex my muscles and my hamstrings and my whole leg for a couple seconds and then exhale. Let my body adjust. I'll do that 2 times. Take a deep breath and squeeze the muscle and exhale. So this is going to create a different stimulus. Now what I'm going to do is the bottom leg. I am going to do slides here at the bottom. And move a little bit this way. Get close to the wall and slide this way because this is going to cause another stimulus when I use this because I'm using this leg when I slide it as a lever to stretch more. And same thing. Take a deep breath. And I'm going to flex and the muscles and exhale. And flex. And then I'm going to make this a little bit more dynamic. So I'm going to raise up this leg and let it come down slowly. Also, this foot here, do not let it pronate. So you want to keep it straight. It's very important. All right? And up and exhale. Now, as I do this, lifting this leg up, I'm using this right leg as a lever to stretch this because every time I go up, I don't feel anything, but as I come down, I can feel the traction of it pulling the leg down, which gives me a better stretch, okay? And again, I want to take a deep breath. It's not I want to push into the wall. I want to contract my muscles to get those muscle spindles to change. And exhale. Now we're going to add something to this. This would be an advanced part. So um, you're going to tilt your pelvis. Well, your pelvis is already tilted because it should be. But what we're going to do is we're going to do a curl up. So you're just going to curl up like this and hold for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And come down. Still keeping that lower back on the floor and tilt. Take a deep breath, contract your breath, and come up again, and squeeze, and 1, 2, 3, 4, looking straight at the ceiling, 5, or looking backwards, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and come down. So there you have the sliding wall stretch for your hamstrings, and you have a progression exercise, and you have an advanced exercise. Hey, thank you for watching, and thank you for your support. And remember, movement is medicine, and have a great day.